Hey team, welcome to today's teaching session. The purpose of this lesson is to talk to you about how to change your cursor. Oftentimes it comes to you and it's very small and it's white, and in this distance learning environment you might be working with 2 or 3 different screens. So this tutorial is designed to help you change that cursor quickly. I'm going to come down here to the bottom toolbar. I'm going to click on magnifying glass. That's going to allow me to search for something. I'm going to begin to type the word cursor. Usually you don't have to get too far into searching for cursor. If you would prefer to type the entire word, then that's fine. And right here, you're going to click one time. Up pops the cursor and pointer options. I'm going to scoot this over and I'm going to choose 10. And you'll notice how my cursor is right here and it's significantly larger than it was a moment ago. You also have the ability to choose these options down here. It defaults to the very first one. If you want it to be solid black with a white exterior, you can choose that. If you want it to shift colors or for it to show what is behind it, so you'll notice when I'm moving over that the letters turn white, that's an option. Or you can scoot all the way over here to the right-hand side where you get to choose a color, and you have several color options to choose from. Each time you choose one of those colors, it will change to the interior so you can determine whether or not you like that. And then the other item right down here is officially the cursor. For example, if I choose 16, you'll notice over here how the thickness of the cursor is now covering the distance of 2 letters. So inside of a Word document, if it's difficult for you to locate the cursor or to show your students where the cursor is located, that's another option. Let me also show you what happens to the pointer in just a minute. There's no save button that's needed on this screen. You actually just click out and your changes have been made. So let me click on Microsoft Excel just because it's down there in my toolbar. And when I come to the edge, you'll notice how the 2-headed arrow that used to be quite small is now significantly larger than it used to be. So if you're trying to train children how to make each of these windows larger or smaller, you don't have to rely on that microscopic double-headed arrow. It's significantly larger. Let me also point out for you that when the arrow turns into a hand, that the hand is also very large as well. If you're ever disappointed with a cursor that is this large, or if you ever need to change the color, etc., you're really just going to repeat those same processes all over again. You can either use the word pointer in your search or cursor. And then when you head over here, then you're just going to undo everything that you did. You can go back to white and then you can scoot it down to small if the gargantuan pointer is not so pleasant for you. I hope this training was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.